How to create a free online shopping website for free in 2021 and beyond. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website like this where people can shop your products in just a matter of minutes without any experience. So if you want to find out how you can do that, keep watching the video and let's just get started. Alright, so in order to build a cool website store like this, we need a website builder. The one that I'm going to use for this video is called Wix. So if you go to Wix and you sign up for an account, which you can do for free by the way, you'll end up right here on your My Sites dashboard. So you guys won't see all of these because you've just created a brand new account. So what you need to do is click Create New Site in the top right corner. Now this will send you over to this question right there. You can click on Other or you can click on Online Store. I recommend going with Other right there. And then next up, you can choose the Wix ADI system, but I do recommend choosing the template. So just click on choose a template. The reason why is because they will then send you over to this page where you can find all of these website templates that you can use for your own website. Now we want to be building an online shopping store. So you want to go to store and then click online store. If you want to niche down even further, you can choose one of these categories. Let's say that you're in beauty and wellness, you can click on that and you'll get to see specific templates for that niche. However, we'll just go with online store. And once you do that, you will see all of the templates that they've got available on Wix. Now what you can do is simply scroll and browse through them and find one that you would like to use. So maybe I would like to go with my online ski shop. What I can then do is click preview and I can click view full demo to see if I actually like the template. Because if you already click on the template, you click on edit, you can then not change that specific template on that specific website. You would have to do it over and over again. So as you guys can see right there, this is what my website could then look like. Let's say that I like this, I'm happy with the template. I can then click on edit this site in the top right corner. That will then send you in to the Wix website editor, and that's where you can start building your store. Now let's say that you're not happy with the result, you can simply go back to the template website and you can then keep scrolling and find one that you do actually like. So maybe you would like to go with the t-shirt store right there. If you like that one, once again you click view, full demo, and then click edit this site in the top right corner. And once again it will then send you in to the Wix website editor. So this might take a while to load, so I'll get back to you guys once this is done and I'll show you how you can get going. And there we go. So this is the Wix website editor and this is where you can start building your store. So right now if you scroll down, you'll see that this is a template that I chose, but it's not filled with your own content, right? So what you need to do is simply customize the entire store. You can do that by simply clicking on one of the sections and you can then click change or edit, and you can do that with anything. So as you guys can see, edit text. If I click right there, it says edit text, and what you can do is simply remove this and then type whatever you want, right? So how to digital store, whatever, just type in what you like on your store. You can also change the font size and you can change the font itself. So maybe I want to change it to this one, or maybe this one, or maybe that one. You can then simply do that by clicking on one of them. It's pretty simple. And that's how you can change your entire store on the template, which is pretty cool. It's pretty simple. It's kind of like drag and drop. It's just clicking and then changing it. So no coding or anything like that involved. Now let me change this back to a more like normal. There we go. So yeah, that's how you can change and build up your entire store. So you can change this section by clicking on it and then simply customizing it. That's pretty simple, right? But how do you actually add your own products? For that, you want to go to My Store. So click on the add-on right there, click Get Started, and then they're going to prepare your store. What they're going to do right now is simply set up the backend of your store so that you can add products, accept payments, add shipping, and all of that good stuff. So in the next few minutes, I'll also show you how you can do that. So we'll just have to wait for this to be done. You can already see in the background right there, they're setting up the store manager. And there we go. Welcome to your store. So this is the store manager. What you can do here is add products. So you can click add products, and of course you can then add products. Pretty simple, right? So you click on that. This will then also take a couple of seconds, hopefully, to load. Yep, there we go. It's already loading. So on here, they're going to pretty much show you step by step how you can set up your store. It's pretty simple. Like I said, you don't need any coding or any experience or complicated stuff. All of this is pretty simple, even if you're a beginner. So yeah, we'll just wait for this to load and then I'll get back to you guys. And there we go. So as of right now, you can already see all of these products showing up on the store. So that's just because I chose a template. Now what you can do is delete all of them if you don't want to have them in there. And if you want to set up a new one, you simply click new product right there, choose physical or digital file. So you can also add ebooks, printables, or digital albums, or you can go with a physical product. So I'm going to go with, let's say, digital file for now. So click on the option that you would like to go with, and you can then simply set this up. So let's say it's an ebook. You simply type in ebook and then whatever you call that ebook, right? Click upload file, click image or document. So let's say you're setting an ebook, you're going to go with document, and then you're going to upload that from your PC. So click upload media, click upload from computer, and then you simply want to upload a file. So I'm going to go with that one. And then once that is done uploading, you can click on add to product in the bottom right corner. There we go. And then you can add product info. So the name will show up right there. You can add a ribbon, which is kind of like a tag. So I can do new arrival. That makes it look cool, interesting, and more attractive. And then this is where you can do pricing. Let's say that I want to charge, let's say it's €9 for this ebook. I simply type in 9. If it's 19, you simply type in 19. You get the point. You can also put that product on sale. So if you enable this, you can do a percentage discount and a flat rate discount. Let's say I want to give a 40% discount. You can see the sale price will then change. 9%, whatever percent that may be, like percentage, you can see the price will change, and the same goes for the actual flat rate. If it's 5, then it changes to 14. You get the point. So that's how you can do that. All that's left is the description. So this is where you can add a product description. So simply start typing that product description, whatever that may be. So that's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you then scroll down even further, you can add images and videos, inventory and shipping. For a digital product, you probably don't need to do this, but for a physical one, you can indeed add some inventory. Now, once you're done doing all of that, you can click save in the top right corner, and you've just added your first ever product. Next up, you can set up the payments. So you want to make sure that customers can actually pay you, right? So if you click set up payments, it will show you exactly what you need to do and what kind of payment options that they've got available. For now, I'm just going to go with the Wix one because this is a test store. So click connect me, confirm that you're not selling anything like that. So make sure you go ahead and actually check that as well. And what it's going to do, it's simply going to set up the best payment methods for your specific country. You can see for me it's set in the Netherlands because I'm in the Netherlands right now. But there we go. They just set up the Wix payment system. Finally, all that's left for now for the simple stuff is setting up shipping. So if you're selling products, of course, you need shipping for physical products. For digital products, you don't. However, if you do that, chances are you might ship to different countries, like international countries, right? So what you can do is click add region. You can add a destination. Let's say I want to ship to the United States or the UK. You simply click on one of the options. You scroll down. You can then offer a free shipping, flat rate shipping, rate by weight, rate by price, and rate by product. So let's say I'm going to charge €10 or maybe 5 for the standard shipping to the UK. What you then do is you simply type that in. You do 3 to 5 business days or whatever business days. Let's say you charge 5. You simply type in €5, click save, and that's it. I just set up shipping for the United Kingdom, which will cost €5. And that's how you can do, I mean, that's what you can do with every single country and every single region, which is cool. Next up, you can add a domain name. However, if you're going to do that, it's not going to be free. So like I said, this would be a free tutorial. However, if you're going to, let me go back. If you're going to buy a domain name, which could be like this, it's not going to be free anymore. So I don't want to show you guys how you can set this up. If you want to do this, I've got some other videos on the channel as well, which you can check out in order to do this. So let me go to the store dashboard and see which steps are still left and steps that need to be done. So as you guys can see, connect domain, get found on Google, all of that is not necessary for now. And then Here you can actually set up a lot of advanced stuff for your specific store. I'm not going to get into all of that. All that's left that I want to show you guys is how you can go live with your store after you've added all of your products. For that, you want to go to the Wix website editor, click publish in the top right corner, and it's then going to go live. You can also preview your store, by the way, by clicking right there. And there you go. So this is now the domain. If I click view site, people can actually find my online shopping website by going to this specific web address. Like I said, if you want a domain name like this, www. and then your name.com, then you can purchase an upgrade. You can then buy that. But this is a free tutorial, so we're not going to do that for now. But as you guys can see right there, I just set up my own online shopping website in a matter of minutes as a complete beginner on Wix. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you next time.